I've got to give it up. I've got to give it up.
Okay, here we are at Roswell, Osmington Mills. So we're at Weymouth today. So we're going to ride to Portland Bill and have a look round. So just show you my setup. Transit van. My new Levo SL. This is my new tent. Burghouse can go on free. This is the vestibule area. 3-man tent. It's quite nice actually. I quite like it. So we're just going to lock up and set off. Bring you back in a minute when we get a bit closer to Weymouth. Bye for now. We're on the old SL today. Portland over there, that's where we're going. Weymouth's just there. We've just come from over there, all those cliffs there. Chisel Beach there. So we're going to go up to the prison, which you can see over there. See the entrance? Just to the right at the top. That's where we're going anyway. here now at Portland. Okay, we've just come up here, Thistle Beach, so Weymouth down there, and we've come from directly across over there, Osmington Mills. This is a prison, Verne Prison. We're going to go up there to the cafe, Jailhouse Cafe. We're on the old Specialised SL today. To be fair, it's not done too bad. 8 bars left. Here we are at the Jailhouse Cafe. Got a bakewell cake, some biscuits, bikes out there. Run by your mates, I believe. Just had some cherry bakewell cake. Massive slice it was. It's alright actually.
Someone I could count to pull me to my feet again when I was in doubt. Oh, now mama, do you hear me calling out your name? Oh, now mama, do you hear me calling out your name?
So here we are, Verne Prison, 1881. Been there a long time. It's been a good ride so far.
Empty veins and my plastic broken crown. Said I swam the sea, ran aground. Said I once was lost, but now I'm truly found. And I know the place, but not the way. I feel no shame. Oh, now mama, do you hear my fear? It's coming after me. Calling out your name. Calling out your name.
Bring you back in a minute, I don't know where I'm going. Bye for now.